you keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between.
Tell me why it gotta be like that. Gotta be like that. Ring around the rosy is the game you play. Sing around the lonely in the same old way. Gotta find my only, it's a shame to say. Got around a phony and got burned by flame. Turning in circles is hurtful and I been here before, but I got off the ride. I swallow blood for I swallow my pride. Follow my gut for I follow my mind. All of the fighting, denying and lies. All of the hiding and crying inside. I try but now the tears are all dry. And I'll be alright because I'll take it in stride. Ring around the rosy with a pocket full of posies. Lonely hope and I'm not the only. Ashes falling down. We all come crashing to the ground. Burning my bridges with matches in hand. Learning my stitches are ashes from plans. Scratches from past when I couldn't withstand. Walking on fire and drowning in sand. Down in the sadness I found in the madness. The ground is the flattest when I am alone. Bound to the badness inside of my bones. Sounds of Damascus decide where I roam. Failure is practice, refining my growth. Tailored my axes, adaptive I rose. Back from the ashes and gases and clothes. Black from the lashes of all of the foes. Ring around the rosy with a pocket full of posies. Lonely hope and I'm not the only. Ashes falling down. We all come crashing to the ground. Ring around the rosy with a pocket full of posies. Lonely hope and I'm not the only. Ashes falling down. We all come crashing to the ground. Make me or break me, I'm fine either way. Shake me or take me, I'm falling away. Hate me, inflate me, I'll try to convey. Lately my safety has wandered away. Squandered my pay, haunted my way. Often I'm flawed on the greatest of days. Tell me it's a phase cause I've been lost inside a maze. Is this the days because the haze won't go away? I've been seeking praise and I'm afraid it ain't a phase. Energy's akin to me but been to the extremes of the darkness. Picking up the pieces. All of us are broken, hoping coping can relieve us. Ring around the rosy with a pocket full of posies. Lonely hope and I'm not the only. Ashes falling down. We all come crashing to the ground. Nothing like the peace of mind defining my being. Seeing is believing and I'm speaking what I'm breathing. Seek what they hide, meet their demise. Sleep with the lies, greet their disguise. Reap what you sow when you know you're exposed. Creep on the low, then you go and impose.
Even time can't tell me what to do. Hopping in my mind, what's been up with you? You reside in the broad of the new. Everything you have been defying the truth, denying the proof. I can see the lies in your eyes like a bruise. Hiding the clues. Everything you have been defying the truth.
Time don't stop for no man or woman. Climb to the top, but let the drop make it normal. Live within your thoughts until you're lost inside of nothing. Take a couple shots, I got a pocket full of something. Would you rather elevate or perpetrate your sadness? Would you rather escalate or resonate your madness? Tell me what's the status? Where's your apparatus? When you live erratic, can't be scared to feel the static.
Even time can't tell me what to do. Hopping in my mind, what's been up with you? You reside in the broad of the new. Everything you have been defying the truth, denying the proof. I can see the lies in your eyes like a bruise. Hiding the clues. Everything you have been defying the truth.
What to do, what to do, what you, what you, better than new.
do. You reside in the broad of the new. Everything you have been defying the truth.
So today, this pretty little unit that's on my head is going to be the one that I'm reviewing for you. This is a new one from the Bobbi Boss 13x7 lace collection. I'm wearing it in the style MLF456 Charleigh in the color number 2. The cap construction on this unit, you do get your 2 combs near the middle of the scalp, 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps, as well as an adjustable band. This unit does come pre-plucked with baby hairs. The baby hairs, as always, were kind of thick and kind of long, so I did just go in and tuck them into the hairline. I did not believe it was completely glueless because I did need to go in with my olive oil ORS Fix It Super Hold Spray. I had to put it at the front and I also had to put it on the sides. It is holding down very securely though, so I definitely am a fan of this Super Hold It spray. Now I have tried the spray without using a blow dryer and with using a blow dryer, and in my opinion, when you use a blow dryer, it definitely does come out more seamless. Let me just come in a little bit closer so I could show you what it's looking like. And you may be able to see my cap a little bit because I am wearing a wig grip as well as a brown cap. I definitely could have just gone in and took it off though if I wanted more of a seamless look, but I think it's looking pretty good. If I were to go outside in this unit, I most likely would just take off the wig band grip. I'm really liking this hairline and all the parting space that you get. When you part it, it's seamless. I mean, you could straight up just see the lace underneath. As far as the texture of this unit, I want to say it is kind of like a soft dried Yaki. You are going to get tangling and shedding with this unit. I 100% would not consider this an everyday unit, just because as I was styling it, I did just get kind of a ridiculous amount of tangling and shedding. I mean, it's still pretty, but just know for sure that if you're trying to do this unit in a bunch of different styles and everything like that, you 100% are going to get tangling and shedding. This is not for the faint-hearted. This unit is super full. It's not heavy on my head though at all. It's pretty lightweight. So this is everything to the front. The density is really nice. I am a big hair don't care type of girl. The length of it is extremely long. When I stand up, it does fall below my butt, and I am 5'3". Here's where it's falling on me in the front. So something to note about this hair, if you want to sort of keep this curl pattern that's going on, what I have done is I have some of this curly and wavy curl defining conditioner detangler, and I'll just show you what this looks like on the hair. I did use it when I was putting this up into a ponytail, and as you can see, it does really a good job of holding it down. So if you wanted to maintain this curl pattern, you just spray some of this. So you just spray some of this in your hands and run it through the hair. And as you can see, it is popping, right? These curls come right back to life. So if you did want to maintain these curls and sort of cut back on the frizziness, because the more that you run your hands through this hair, the frizziness will become prevalent. If you want to just get rid of that, I definitely would suggest, even if you don't have this specific spray, just picking some spray up to define the curls so that you can kind of get that curl pattern going and you don't have to worry about the hair just becoming excessively frizzy. I would consider this unit obviously small, medium, and big head friendly because you do get that adjustable band, so it is pretty versatile when it comes to people with different sized heads. You do get that 13x7 parting space, which is great. Would I pick it up again? Possibly. But like I said, I don't think this is everyday hair, so I probably would just pick it up and use it for special occasions. This definitely will be a high maintenance unit as far as maintaining this curl pattern. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any other units you want me to pick up in any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Nothing like the peace of mind to find.